Hello, I am capital letter V.
Hi, letter V. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter V.
Hi, small letter V. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am victorious letter V. That's who I am. V, V, V. Let's say V. We are victorious V's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. V, V, V. Let's clap our hands to letter V.
V, V, V. Let's clap our hands to letter V.
Who are you?
I am Victor, the victorious vulture. I nest on high cliffs or in hollow trees. You won't find me in Australia and Antarctica.
What's this?
A violin. Let's say violin. The letter V plays the violin.
What's this?
A vet. Let's say vet. The vet helps pets with gentle hands.
What's this?
A volcano. The volcano goes boom, 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 sending lava from its room.
What are these?
These are vegetables. Vegetables are good to eat. They are crunchy, colorful, and neat.
What's this?
A vase. A vase holds flowers bright, making rooms full of light.
What's this?
A van. Let's say van. The van goes down the street, rolling on its wheels.
What's this?
A funny vampire says hoo-ha with tiny fangs and a cloak, ha, ha.
What's this?
A violet, the tiny flower, smelling sweet. A violet, blooming by my feet. It's small and bright. A violet is a pretty sight.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter V today. Vase, violin, and van. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late for letter Y. It will be great.